Did you successfully download Viber from App Store, but now you're confused on how to set up your Viber account? Well, look no further because today I'm going to show you how to create Viber account on your phone. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is tap on Viber. So it'll show you welcome to Viber, and at the very bottom you'll see start now. So press start now. So just go ahead and make sure that that's the country. If not, you can always tap on it and select whichever country yours is, and then type in your number. Mine has already been typed in for me, and then press continue, and it will want to confirm that yes, is this your number. And once you press yes, you will receive a code, whether it's through a call or SMS. So press yes right here, but if it's not your number, you can always press edit right here. So I'm going to click on yes, press allow. So it's activating Viber. Now type in your full name. And go ahead and type in your birthday right here. Mine has already been filled in. And then your email should be right here. And if you want to allow Viber to send you updates, you can always tap that as well. But I'm not going to. And then you'll see this tick mark in this circle at your right side corner. So tap on that. So if you had already downloaded Viber in your previous phone, or you had uninstalled it, then if your chat history was saved to Drive, this is what you'll see. And if you want to restore your chat history, tap restore now. If you don't want to, you can always press skip. So I'm going to restore, and then press allow. So it's downloading my backup file right now. Now it's restoring my chat history. So if you want to scan the QR code, you can allow Viber to access your camera. If you want to do that, you can. And then press allow. Press allow, and then if you want Viber to have your device location, you can allow or deny, whatever you want. If you want this, press allow. And that's it. It's very easy. You have successfully learned how to create Viber account on Android. Now if you want to learn how to uninstall Chrome, just tap on that screen and it will take you right there. Until next time.